Hi and welcome back to the channel. Now before I start doing some repairs and welding to the outside of the car, I need to make sure I don't set the interior on fire. And so to that end I've removed the carpet, as you can see, from the front of the car, both passenger and driver's side. And to do that I removed these clips here which retain the carpet, and that leaves a lot of the underfelt in place, as you can see. Now this piece just released once I've taken the carpet clips off. Now I've pulled out the toolbox, but the purpose of this video is just to show you that this is held in by 4 screws. Now if we look inside the glove box, and to get access to the screws that hold the bracket on that attaches the tool tray, we needed to remove the inner to the glove box. Now to do that you just fold in the sides, which is a little bit more fiddly than you'd expect, and then fold the back down there, and then you can just ease it out. Now then, if we need to remove that tool tray bracket, as you can see in here, if I can get some light on the subject. Okay, so once we've removed the inner part of the glove box, it gives us access to hopefully 4 bolts which hold the bracket on, and one is there, one is on the opposite side just there, there's one right at the back that you might not be able to see, which is there, and hopefully there's one on that side, but as you can see there's not a bolt there, and I thought if I pulled this back it would show me the bolt, but no, it didn't. So it took me a bit of fiddling around to see where I can get access to it, but actually it's not on the inside of the car. It's down here, and if you can see just where my finger's pointing, you might not see it properly, which is just there. Anyway, it's on the bulkhead just below the heater fan, so you can get quite easy access to it. So I just thought I'd show you this quick video on how to remove that tool tray bracket, to save you fiddling around for half an hour like I did, to try and get access to a bolt that is not where I expected it to be. So now I can go ahead and remove the rest of the underfelt and carpet from the front of the car, so I can carry on with some welding. So that's going to be coming up in a fairly short amount of time. I've got a welder on order, so that should be here soon, so I can get on with some of these repairs. Okay, thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.